Hello dear, what are you guys doing? Have a rest for a while. I bring you your favorite mango juice and chocolate cake.
Wow! Thank you, Mommy! Wow!
So children, how is school today?
It was nice! Today I was learning about Islam, Mom.
So, tell me, what do you know about Islam?
Alright, listen to my story.